Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Jihan Saidova Elmandi. Today I want to explain about deixis. Deixis comes from a Greek term that refers to the action of pointing, talk language. The linguistic form used to achieve this pointing is called a deictic expression. When use deictic expressions, we indicate something in an immediate context by using words like this and that. These expressions are also known as indecicals and are one of the first forms spoken by young children. They can be used to indicate people, location, or time, depending on the context shared by the speaker and listener. Deictic expressions are based on proximity to the speaker with near the speaker terms such as this, here, and now, and far from the speaker terms such as that, there, and then. These terms are interpreted based on the speaker's location, deictic center, and share context with the listener. The first one of deixis, person deixis. Person deixis involve the use of first person I, second person you, and third person he, she, and it pronouns. Some language also describe these categories with markers of relative social status, resulting in a distinction between familiar and unfamiliar address. This refers to the use of words to refer to people in conversation. An example is the use of pronouns such as I, you, they, and also on. Example sentence: I'm going to the store. The word I is person deixis. The second, you must pay your bills on time. The word you is person deixis. And last, they are watching a movie at the cinema. The word they is person deixis. Okay, the second one is spatial deixis. Spatial deixis is based on the relative location between people and objects. English use terms like here and there to indicate proximity or distance from the speaker. This involves words used to indicate location or space in the context of speech. For example, are words like here, there, front, back, and the like. For example sentence is the first one, he's here. Here is spatial deixis. The second, I will wait at the gate. In front. In front of the gate is a spatial deixis. And the last, the car is parked behind the house. Back of the house is spatial deixis. The last is temporal deixis. Temporal deixis involves expressions such as now and then to indicate time relative to the speaker's utterance. The choice of verb tense can also convey temporal deixis. English use present and past tense to indicate closeness and distance from the speaker's current situation. In addition, the use of direct and indirect speech can mark the difference between the meaning of direct speech near the speaker and the meaning of indirect speech far from the speaker. For example sentence is the first one, now I'm having lunch. Now is temporal deixis. The second, yesterday I met an old friend. Yesterday is temporal deixis. And last, tomorrow we will go on holiday to the beach. Tomorrow is temporal deixis. Overall, deictic expressions play an important role in communication as their interpretation depends on the context. The speakers intend the converse relative distance. Its use is essential for understanding language and social interaction. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.